Hi, I'm Tyla and I am a tattooist and a visual artist. I am of Samoan and New Zealand European descent. My villages on my dad's side are Samoan in Alepaka and Safungi in Savai'i. I've been tattooing for about 4 years now. I've been designing tattoos for a lot longer than that. I've got my own setup, largely self-taught, but I have a lot of tattooists that have influenced me and helped me along the way. My partner is a little bit of a guinea pig. I started out tattooing on my dad. He got the very first ones, and then my partner was next up. A little bit of trial and error to start out with. I get tattooed by her? Yeah, I don't have to pay for my tattoo. The first tattoo that I did for him was predominantly of Tongan patterns and a little bit of Samoan in there as well. My influence is all about representing his culture. And it's pretty cool because it's special to me. It's my partner that's tattooing me, so yeah. I really enjoyed the collaborative side of it. He's a bit of a collector of tattoos. So I'm really lucky that I have someone that I can share this kind of tattoo journey with. Hey, I'm Tyla and this is my ink.